Okay, maybe I should read the instruction manual first because I really don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know what's happening. I can't get it to turn on. Maybe the battery's dead and it just needs to charge for a bit. So I'm just gonna put that to the side and maybe it just needs charging. I'm really hoping that it's not a faulty one because I hate returning things. It's such a faff and I was really looking forward to this mirror clock. It was just so aesthetically pleasing. On to the next package. Okay, I'm actually really excited for this. I got a new non-stick 5 set of pots and pans. You guys, I've been needing, like desperately needing new pans because the non-stick of the pans, they're sticking. Okay, I'm forever scratching things off and scraping things off the pan and it's really annoying. Finally decided to get new pans and I can't wait. Oh, look at them in all their glory. They're so new and shiny and I can't wait to use them. You know you're an adult when you find a new set of pots and pans. Super exciting and that's the highlight of your day. Yes, welcome to adult life, Shella. This is it. You guys, I just figured out why it wasn't turning on. It wasn't because there was no charge. It was because the freaking adapter cable wasn't plugged all the way into the socket. It was literally out by like millimeters. Ah, it's so pretty. So it's like a mirror clock. How pretty is that? I just need to set up the time obviously. And I can't wait to put this in the bedroom. I do want to get another one and put it in the living room, see how we get on with it. But so far it looks really nice. I can't wait. Put it in the room. I'm really trying to like redo my room and just make it feel a bit more homey. I am hungry. It is now, what is the time? It is 10:26 in the evening. I think it's time to finally have dinner.
Can't work in these conditions as you do. I can't work in these conditions. Can I take them?
Hello. You want to say hi to the YouTube fam? Meow. I think she's a bit shy. A little bit shy.
We're in there. You really want them to be friends. You want them to marinate and be one with each other. Alright, darling. Guys, today was literally the first day of me actually properly getting back on track. It's been almost a month since I've been to the gym, since I've like just been kind of doing things that just make me feel good. I went to Wales almost a month ago and I haven't been to the gym since, and ever since then I've been like eating really poorly. I've been just eating loads of takeaway. I really just went from holiday mode to slump mode and I've just been really struggling to get out of it. So as you saw, I went to the gym straight after work. It was absolute hell getting back home. There was like huge delays on like the underground and I left at 7:30 and usually it takes an hour max to get home. I work in Central, I go to the gym in Central. It's easier to go straight after work. I got home at like 9:10. Anyways, we're here. I went to the gym, I'm really proud of myself and it was actually a really good session. It was like full body, in and out in an hour and it just felt good to go back. I did like a much lighter weight, so I didn't go too heavy. I just wanted to get into the flow of like getting back into the flow of actually going to the gym and just moving my body, just getting back into rhythm with everything in terms of like exercise. I didn't want to go in guns blazing and thinking I could live what I used to because I know that would just be very silly and that probably comes under ego lifting. So that's why I didn't do that. But nonetheless, I thought I was gonna be really disappointed to like have to go down in weight. But actually, it just felt really good to just be moving anyway and to just be moving my body in general. But yeah, that is basically the gist of this video. It's not anything too serious. I just want to take you guys along. I hope that this motivates anyone. Any of you guys out there that's been in a slump or just need some motivation. We are in this together, okay? We are in this together. And so next, that brings me to doing our skincare. I've been snacking with that. I've been doing my skincare like every other day or like just doing the mornings, not doing the evenings. But I want to get back into doing it both mornings and evenings. So we're going to do that now. Excuse my ugly nails, like these are my natural nails and these two were already starting to break, so I had to trim them mid-filming. Like, it went from this length to this. What is this stub? So I just trim these down a little bit and wait for this one to grow back and this one to grow back? Or do I just trim these all down to match this one and then they'll all just grow back at the same time? I waited so long for these to grow. I'm so upset, now I've got these two little stumps. Okay. Really been loving lemon water lately. I'm having 2 cups every morning or 2 mugs, glasses, whatever, and it's so nice. It's actually really refreshing. I used to be like, lemon water, it's just lemony and it's just gonna be bitter water, but it's actually quite nice and refreshing. It adds a little bit of flavor from the lemon. So I've been having 2 every morning, so I'm really proud of myself. So that's been a new healthy habit that I've implemented. 10/10 recommend. I've definitely noticed that it's definitely helped with my digestion. I also have my green tea in the evening. Those 2, lemon water in the morning and green tea in the evening. 10/10. Recommend it. Try it out. Let me know in the comments how that goes for you. But so far it's been working for me. Yay! What do we have here? Oh, hello! What are you doing? Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Don't forget your deodorant, kids. Don't want to be stinky or be around stinky people, especially first thing in the morning. This is your reminder to put your deodorant on. Because over here, we wear deodorant, okay? Okay?